Hey guys, welcome to my channel, Makeup Mandy. If you are new here, please like and subscribe. So I am actually doing a test on Moxie Lash versus Tori Belle. Dun dun dun! So I made a video kind of like this, but now I actually have both of the full products. So let's just see which one's better. As you see, I already have my makeup done. If you guys want to see how I did this neon pink cut crease look at my last video. It's right over there. But yeah, so I'm gonna put some of this magnitude Tori Belle stuff and my babe Moxie Lash on the other eye, so it's gonna be like bam bam, and then we're gonna see what's up. Okay, so one thing that I have already figured out with Tori Belle and Moxie Lash is Moxie Lash is a lot thicker, it's a lot chunkier, and this one goes on a little better, and it actually has a so this is a little thinner and runnier, and then it actually has mascara on the other side. So that's one thing that Moxie Lash at least doesn't have with this particular little guy here. So let's just do eye and go from there. So I always put on regular eyeliner first because I want to make sure I get like the look I'm looking for first before I start putting all this chunky magnetic material stuff on. So I'll put the magnitude here on my left eye. So let's just zoo it, give a little oomph. I already had mascara on, but it's okay. It's just for the magnet, so it doesn't really matter. It doesn't matter at all. Okay, so bam. A little extra because I'm gonna give it the full chance. So magnet. I'll even go above a little bit. That is one thing I do like about the Tori Belle is that it kind of has like a backup. So let's say it's falling off, you're in the club, your mascara can now catch you if you fall. But either way, it's gonna be falling onto the eyelash, so it's still not gonna look good, but you know, it's cool to have like a backup plan. All right, and then I'll put the liquid right over the liner I already have. So bam. I'll give it a nice little smooth line. I want to make sure you guys can see what I'm doing. Okay. Bam, so all the way across. I'll even give a little extra over here because I like my ends to be a little wet. So let that dry. This stuff takes a little bit to dry, both of them, especially the Moxie Lash, because you guys, at least who watch me, know I use Moxie Lash regularly. So Tori Belle driving. Hopefully she's not driving because she don't got no hands. Just kidding. Jeez, that was probably like a mom joke. All right, Moxie Lash over here. All right, it's definitely a little thicker, like you can kind of see the chunk. But to me, I like that because that makes me think the magnets are really on there, holding on tight. All right, let me get my life together and get in here for y'all. Let me do another dip. Look, half of it's like on the stick over here. Come on, Moxie, do better. Okay. I think my Moxie is like drying up a little bit. Let me spin it around to get that good stuff. There we go. That's what I was looking for. Oh, it's like hanging. Okay, stuff's expensive. Go back in the hole. Jeez. So I have Moxie on now. Moxie Lash is definitely harder to get on. So there is some downfalls there. This was very smooth, very quick. This one, since it's so thick, since it's so chunky, you know, you gotta maneuver it a little bit more. But other than that, they both look about the same. So let's let it dry for 2 to 3 minutes. Okay, they're pretty much dry now. So I got these fancy big old lashes from Tori Belle, and I have a whole bunch of different Moxie lashes, but I went ahead and grabbed ones that were kind of similar, big and bold and flashy. So they're kind of both holding the same weight-ish. So let's just go. All right, so Tori Belle. So it's holding on there. Okay. It has a little end right there, which I'm not super fond of. But it's holding, it's doing its thing. Okay. So if you see, hold on, I wonder if I can zoom in for you guys. Come on, there you go. So the little corner's not quite on. I think it wants to hold on to the mascara more than it wants. There you go, you can kind of see it right there. It looks like it wants to hold on to the mascara more than it wants to hang on to the eyeliner. Okay, oh, if I move it, it looks a lot better. Okay. It's on, it looks good, okay. Okay, all right, let's put on my girl Moxie now. Let's put on my boo. I'm in the middle of a video. I'm gonna put on the same one, or the same type, but Moxie.
That's good.
Okay. They're both holding on. And this one's, now that I see them on my face, is definitely way bigger. So it's holding a little bit more than what the Tori Belle is. So Tori Belle, Moxie Lash. Whenever I can take them on and off, the Tori Belle is easier to take on and off. Like literally it feels easier. The Moxie Lash holds on a little bit better and sometimes takes the eyeliner with it. So that's something to think about, but really once you get eyelashes on, you shouldn't be taking them on and off. You know, once you get them where they need to be, leave them alone. Don't mess with it. So Tori Belle, Moxie. I do notice Tori Belle is easier to clean off. I just use regular like Neutrogena wipes and whatever face wash I'm using, Mary Kay, Cetaphil, I use that sometimes too. You know, I change it up. But Tori Belle is easier to clean, for real, by far. Moxie Lash sometimes hurts when taking them off. When you've worn them all day, did your party and whatever, and then taking them off, them suckers hang on sometimes and it hurts. But I like that about them. I want them to hold on like for dear life. Tori Belle is like even this little guy is still not really holding on the way I want him to. Like it's, if I move it, I guess. I don't know. Tori Belle, I don't think the magnets are as strong. Like look, like it's not, I mean it still does its thing. It's kind of more on the end over here, so don't laugh at my eye looking all crazy. But then Moxie Lash takes just a little more oomph. Like it's actually coming off, because it's thicker, it's coming off in the eyelash too. So that's kind of the downfall with Moxie Lash. It's thicker. Once it's been on your eye for an extended period of time, it almost creates like a, I don't know, but it'll sometimes hurt coming off. But Tori Belle doesn't hurt. And really, okay, let's put it back on. So on, feeling okay. Oh, you felt that? I blew it with all my might. One more time. All right, hold on, let's try Moxie. I'm gonna about to pass out. But Moxie Lash was not falling off. Oh, it's holding on. It's kind of falling off in the end there too. So really, they're both right on the line. You know, I feel like I'm Team Moxie because I've just used Moxie for a long time. But Tori Belle is not bad. It's, you know, it's about the same. They're about the same. I'm not even gonna be biased. They the same. I guess the one thing that I know the Tori girls like is that, you know, you kind of need a consultant to buy those sometimes. I did not. I had to go, and it was like asking me which consultant, and I was like, nobody help me, okay? I wanted to buy it myself. So one thing that's really cool is though that Tori Belle comes with these little babies. So if you wanted to be like, oh, I don't really want to look too fly, I just want to look like a tiny bit fly, you just like, boop. I mean, I don't even know where it's at because those are too small. Oh God, it's lost in the abyss of my eyelash. Okay, there it is. But so that's cool. You know, I didn't have to like pay extra for those or anything. But really, they're pretty freaking similar. So I think it just depends. I did notice Moxie Lash has more options, more different types, you know, like these are like money lash, I have baby lash, cheeky lash, sassy lash, bougie lash, whatever. So like that's, you know, it just depends. Moxie Lash, harder to take off, harder to clean off, but I think in the end it holds on better. But Tori Belle's a lot easier to apply. It has a backup mascara, which is kind of nice. So if you're getting desperate and you just don't want to have the eyelash on, it'll hold on to something. So that's good. They're both great in my opinion. I'm going to use both of them until they run completely dry. But if you guys have any like, no, I swear mine does this. Oh, I love I'm Tori Belle for life. Comment below, like let us know, cause maybe I didn't do something right, but they're both really great in my opinion. But thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe and I'll see you guys later.